Hey gorgeous, let me quickly show you how to properly revamp your coily hair. Its tangling is dry, I understand it, but let me show you how to revamp your coily hair in less than 10 minutes. This is me after revamping my hair, and after then I went for a barbecue, and then I have a good time with my goddaughter. She's so adorable. So let's dive into this. I've gotten a lot of comments, people asking me to make this video on how to revamp coily hair, so I decided to do this.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If today is your first time stumbling on my channel, this is Change Your Look UK. And on today's video, I'm going to be showing you the easiest way you can actually revamp your coily hair into this beautiful hair I'm rocking right now. You need to see this hair from the very beginning. It looks like it's worn out, you can't use it anymore. But don't throw away that hair just because it's looking dry and tangled. Don't just throw it away. Throw it away. If you decide to throw it away, just wait until you watch this video, then you will decide if you're going to throw it away or not. Provided your extension is good, provided it's really human hair, definitely this trick will work for you. No more stress. It's very easy to transform from that tangling hair into this beautiful defined coils. So guys, without taking too much of your time, we're going to dive into the video. But before we do so, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please again support me by subscribing to my channel. Make sure you turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. I do upload new videos every week, so you don't miss any of my videos. Please again support me by hitting on that subscribe button and make sure you turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. So without taking too much of your quick time, let's dive into the video.
So guys, this is the hair we're going to be working with. It's a kinky texture wig, and you can see that I cannot actually run my hand through it. That's how bad it is. So what I normally do is to run water, warm water, not cold water, not too hot, like the temperature you can actually bathe with. That's the temperature you can use. So I'm just trying to check the temperature to know that it's actually okay before dipping my hair into it. So when I am convinced that it's actually okay, I'll just dip my wig into it. Make sure that the wig is soaked in the water, like the water is properly into the wig. You could see me distributing the water into the wig properly. Just make sure it's properly wet before putting your shampoo. And the shampoo I'm going to be using is a TRESemme shampoo. If you've been watching my revamping my hair tutorials, you'll see that I use TRESemme a lot because I've tried them a lot and the result is wow. So I actually love their product, their shampoo, their condition. It's very nice, and their product, the particular one I'm using, is good. It's especially made for damaged hair, so that's the reason why I'm using it. But if you have other shampoo that you want to use, why not give it a try? But I just like the TRESemme shampoo and condition. That's why I always use it for revamping and the rest. And you could see me washing the hair, and while I'm washing it, if you wash properly, you will notice that my hand is under the frontal. So why I'm doing that is that when you dip your hair fully into the water, you're going to deal with a lot of tangling. So make sure that you're not dropping that hair, you're holding that part of it, so it will give you an idea on what part you're working on, if you guys understand what I'm talking about. If you dip it into the water directly, just leave it inside the water, you're going to have a lot of tangling with your closure or your frontal. Then you're going to have a lot of pulling of the frontal or the closure, and that won't be good at all. So make sure that you're not letting go of the wig. You're using your hand to support one part of the wig, especially the closure or the frontal area. That's where you're resting your hand in. So after washing it, I'll just make sure I dry up the water, and then I add my TRESemme condition. Like I told you guys, I actually love TRESemme, so that's what I'm using. So when you're using the condition, you have to be generous with it. Like, just put it all over, a lot of condition. You really need it. Most of the time, if I'm revamping hair for like clients, I can use this bottle for one hair or two. So you have to be very generous with your condition. So after putting the condition into the hair, I will just use my hand to distribute it. While I'm doing it, you can see how I'm using my finger to make sure I detangle it while I'm distributing the condition all over the hair. What you can do also is to open the hair, the middle of the hair, and also put the condition. It's easier for you to work with that way. So just put it and try to make sure that the condition is properly distributed into the hair. Make sure it's properly distributed into the hair. That's all you do. So after doing that, you just put the hair together and just wrap it into the cap and keep it. You can leave this for as long as you want, but because I'm doing a tutorial, so I can't leave it for too long, just few minutes, and then I'll take it off, open it, and then run my finger through it just to be sure that the condition, and by the time I'm doing that, you could see that the hair is already looking soft. You can actually like run your finger, use your finger to like detangle it while you're running your finger through it. I don't know if you guys actually understand what I'm talking about. So you just run your finger through it, and you need a proper detangling brush. Yes, I normally get this from Boots. I will list all the product I used underneath it. You can see it. Detangle is a detangle teaser brush. You need it. You can see how long the teeth is. It helps you to like really go into it. And while you are combing this hair, please take note of this. Start from the tip, you work your way upwards. I tell people this all the time. If you just put your comb or your brush from the top to the bottom, you're going to lose a lot of hair. So what you do is to work your way from the bottom. Start from the tip, comb gently, and then you walk upwards. And when you're walking upwards, you'll see how easy it is. You won't have a lot of shedding, you won't have a lot of tangling and the rest. But if you just go upwards and start it upwards, you'll have a lot of that. So I'm using the big finger comb to comb the closure part of it, just to make sure it's very easy to comb the closure part of it so it doesn't tangle. After doing that, then you can use the brush, the detangling brush, to brush it again. If you just use the detangling brush on the closure part, you're going to lose a lot of hair. So use a finger brush like this, the kind of brush, the kind of comb I'm using right now, finger comb, and use it to comb your closure part so you don't lose a lot of hair. It's better that you lose hair on the bundles than losing hair on the closure. Seriously, I've been using this hair for more than 3 years, and once you see this hair in real life, you'll be like, are you kidding me? Do you just make this? It looks new whenever I put it on. So this is what you do. Once your closure is bad, you will need to change your closure. So if you walk the way I'm just telling you right now, you will not lose any closure. Even if you have to have any form of cut, it will be from the bundles, not from the closure. So while you are doing this, make sure you're very, very careful about your frontal or your closure so you don't damage it. So after doing that, I will race it properly, and when it gets to the end, make sure that after just squeezing the tip of it, you can use your hand to like pull it upwards just to retain the coils on the hair. You just pull it upwards after squeezing it, just the way I'm doing right now. Then you pull it upwards. So what I'm doing is, after rinsing the condition of it, this Twisted Sister, I love it a lot. It's like a product for like black hair, and since it's a kinky coily I'm working with, it's very dry, so I put a little bit in that container and put a lot of water, and then I just spray it all over the hair just to give it more moisture on the hair. You cannot wash your hair and just leave it like that. So I'll spray that into it. You can use any other leave-in condition, but I love this Twisted Sister. It's really nice and it's good for coily hair as well. So I just put just a drop, a pinch of it into that bottle and put water and spray it, and then I comb it. At first I wanted to put a styling mousse, but I just thought I don't think I need it, so it doesn't look kind of dry. So I end up not using the mousse. I wanted to, but if you want to use the mousse, why not? You can also give it a try. I use it sometimes, but I just decide not to use it for this tutorial. So what I did, because it's a review, I used towel to dry it first so it can easily dry, can quickly dry. So after drying it, I comb it, so if there is any form of tangling while I'm using that towel to squeeze out the water, I can actually detangle it. So after doing that, I just comb it. and look at how gorgeous that look. And look at my frontal, it's still looking intact, looking very, very nice. Look at those coil pattern, it's very, very gorgeous. This is how you can actually revamp your coily hair.
Look at how defined this coil pattern is. It's so defined. Beautiful. The extension I'm wearing is kinky extension. You know how dry kinky can be and how tangled it can be. I've been using this hair for years now, and whenever I revamp it, it looks like I just actually made it. It's very, very beautiful. I actually charge clients like 40 to 50 pounds to revamp their wigs. If you can do it, why paying me the money? That's the reason why I'm actually doing this video, because a lot of clients has been like on my neck, please change your look, try and do a revamp video for us, coily revamp. They were actually specific, coily revamp video. So that's the reason why I decided to do this video. Hope this video has helped you guys in one way or the other. If it has helped you in any way, please don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. I do upload new videos every week. So if you want to see more hair tutorial, more reviews, please just stick to my channel. Make sure your notification bell is on. Thank you so much guys for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.